Shit high as fuck, boy. Scary shit. Yes. Uncle Johnny's. Play it, Patrick. Hell yeah. Chilling out back, Uncle Johnny's. Little fire pit. There's the old bridge.
But what time is that?
I pushed it right here.
I ain't gonna. I mean, my time is limited. You know what I mean?
Cool little spot.
I won't be able to talk to you.
Showers. We got stuff over here.
Like right now, I'm on my other phone on the Wi-Fi here.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna call.
Uncle Johnny's. Post it up. Bed right there. Stop playing around, Kyle. Let's go. Fuck out of here. Crazy, there's the old bridge. Washed it all the way to the shore. Used to be right here across. Good old Uncle Johnny's.
Where is custom?
Over a fucking hippo, like, dude, just walk away. You've got a backpack. What the fuck's wrong with you? Well, and come to find out, he did have a bunch of shit wrong with him, dude. They pulled like 2 feet of his intestines out, and it was like
in the hospital a few times.
Yeah, well, he had a heart attack in the hospital, which is like, if you're gonna have a heart attack, that's the place to do it. But like, I mean, he's had some misfortune for sure.
Fucking cowboy camp right here on this trail. Like this construction shit. Take this trash down here. Get the day going. Be ready for trail days. Go Crazy Larry. Bike rental. Damascus. Pretty sure that's the visitor center. That old mill over there. River behind it. Trail days. How you doing? Hostel. About to do some volunteer work. Get these down. All these bushes. The before. The before. New rental property. Checking the paint crew. See if they got my ceiling done.
We're the curtain masters.
And bush is looking good now.
Yeah, somebody explained that math to me.
Oh, dessert. And bushes. This guy. Tent City before everybody gets here. This whole woods is about to be crazy. It's about to be a party for like 72 hours. You're gonna see like thousands and thousands of tents through here. Like a hippie fest. They're starting to set up. I'll show you what tomorrow's gonna look like. It's barely walk through here. Before. Yeah.
Why did it say love though?
White Trail. This is the Appalachian Trail. Mount Katahdin.
Free hiker feed.
Stop the rain. Let the